In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Lovable project to GitHub and confirm the repository import. First, open lovable.dev on your computer and sign into your Lovable account. You'll land on your dashboard. From here, choose the project or app you want to connect by clicking its card. This opens the project workspace where you manage integrations and settings. Next, look for the GitHub option. Depending on your layout, you'll find it either in the top right area or in the side panel. This is the integration entry point that links your Lovable project to a GitHub repository so your code can live in version control. Click GitHub, then select Connect Project. When you do this, Lovable prepares to create a GitHub repository for this project and import the current project content into it. If this is your first time connecting, you may be prompted to log into GitHub and authorize Lovable. Go ahead and sign into GitHub, then review the authorization screen and approve access so Lovable can create and manage the repository on your behalf. This step is required for the integration to work. After authorization, the connection process runs automatically. In the background, a new GitHub repository is created and your Lovable project is imported into it. This usually takes just a moment. When it finishes, you'll typically see a confirmation in Lovable, and in many cases, a link that points directly to the new repository on GitHub. To double-check everything, navigate back to your Lovable homepage. Click My Projects, locate your project, then click the three dots next to its name and choose Settings. In Project Settings, look for the GitHub section. You should see the repository details and status there, which confirms the project is successfully connected and imported. If you don't see the connection right away, refresh the page and make sure you're viewing the correct project. Also ensure you authorize the correct GitHub account during the prompt. Minor delays can occur while the repository is being created, so waiting a few seconds and checking again often resolves it. That's all it takes. You've opened Lovable, selected your project, used the GitHub integration to connect, authorized access when prompted, and verified the repository link in project settings. Your project is now version controlled in GitHub and ready for collaboration, pull requests, and CI workflows. If you plan to work with teammates, you can now share the repo URL and manage access directly in GitHub while continuing to build in Lovable.